If you're planning to attend NBAA BACE 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From October 17th through the 19th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during NBAA BACE's exhibit hall hours at the Las Vegas Convention Center in Las Vegas, Nevada. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at NBAA BACE why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by aviation maintenance technicians. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech video borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.